Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair review. So this unit was provided to me by RPGSHOW So this unit is the Golden Highlight Curly Human Hair Wigs Yvonne 001. So she is 16 inches long, guys. She has a curly texture and you can see how beautiful she is. So I'm going to do a hair review per usual so you guys will see all the steps. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
It's complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whatever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's complete. We gonna get no sleep. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is basically the install portion of the video. So this part is super easy. So I didn't use bolt holds or anything like that this time. So I'm going in with the good old Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray. So this product works actually really good. It actually stayed overnight. So nice, to not move or anything like that. Because this is some tinted transparent Swiss lace, it just melts into the skin so nicely. So I felt like using this product to adhere it down just worked perfectly.
You missing me, I'm missing you. Whatever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whatever we meet, we gonna get.
So this is what the hair should looks like the next day after install. So you guys can see the curls are super defined, super pretty. So in this section right here, you'll see a little bit of the highlights. And yes, I did go ahead and switch the part off just because I like my side part to go to the right. So I hope you guys think that this looks nice. I really think that overnight styling, letting it air dry and not playing with the curls definitely amplify this unit up. But let me know what you guys think down below. So this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So I'll list all the information in the video somewhere so you guys know all the details of this unit. So I just can tell you guys this unit's from RPGSHOW Wigs. It is the style Yvonne. So when you see it on the website, this is exactly the way you're going to get it, guys. Very pretty, very summer 2020 ready. Even though we might not be traveling, but it's still a nice wig just to slay real quick. So the unit is a 16-inch unit, guys. It's a curly texture, and obviously you guys can see that there is a lot of highlights in it. Well, kind of like sporadic highlights, which I really appreciate. appreciate it. I thought it was actually really cute. Now with this hair video today, guys, I did go ahead and test out the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. Now someone did, I think they asked me to do the curling cream, so I did go ahead and pick this up at BJ's for about like $10. Now this product honestly works very well. You guys can see it kind of really defines the curls. The curl pattern is super curly and pretty at the ends, which I really think is cute because it is kind of like almost like a natural texture. So with this, guys, I do feel like this product, compared to the leave-in conditioner, it does the same thing, to be honest. It's the same consistency. It's thick, it's white, it kind of holds everything together in place, and if you let it air dry properly without putting your hands through it, it's going to give you a nice kind of formulated curl. So yes, I do use these products on curly wigs. Human hair wigs are basically like real hair, so you should treat it the same way that you would treat your real hair. So that's why I use like products on it. But I do think that the product came out really nice on the hair, guys. I'll turn around and show you guys the back. The unit for me, honestly and truly, the lace is a nice tinted transparent lace, guys. They pretty much did a banging job on that one, because when I put the wig on my head, I was like, damn, you can see clearly through this one. So this is what I'm going to say for this company. You guys complain about the price, but yo, they have definitely come with some banging ass laces like lately. Like the lace is like so transparent, so there's no spraying the cap or anything like that. It's going to come to you boom, 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 ready to go. So despite the price, it's a really good quality unit, guys. They last a really long time, and you know, washing it and stuff like that was not an issue at all. Very simple, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below per usual if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from RPGSHOW.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.